So hey guys, I wanted to start a new review here in the channel, which is basically just reviewing all of my sneakers. I do have quite of them. I'm still arranging my house to put a wall with all my sneakers, but it's being so difficult right now. You don't imagine the space when you are a content creator is like really needed. Like I have my closet completely full, all my stuff completely full, but well, it is what it is, right? So let's get to review the first sneaker here in the channel. And the first sneaker is the Nina Chanel Trees. You may already tell about the box, right? Because you do know the box or not, that's fine. So I will get you to know a little bit about this sneaker right here. Actually, I didn't buy this sneaker through Sneakers. So when I saw them loading on Sneakers, I really didn't enjoy that much, so I didn't even try the draw. So yeah, it just passed, right? And here in the Europe, it kind of didn't sold out at first. It took, I think, at least one day to get the sneakers sold out, right? But eventually it did. So I bought this from a friend, okay? He copped them on Sneakers, so I bought this from a friend. And them, I had to cop them because I saw so many videos of this sneaker and I did really like to see them on foot, right? It's a completely different thing from the image that you see. So I had to cop them, right? So let's open the box right here. It has that paper, okay, which is not sure. Yeah, you can see it's the Nina Chanel paper. I call it Nina Chanel, right? Because this is the collab, right, with the artist. So let me just open the sneaker right here to show you guys. And this is the sneaker right here, okay? It does come with this tag right here, okay? It's orange and white on this side and all orange with white as well on this side, but you get my point, right? I don't really like to wear tags on my sneakers, so I don't, okay? So let me just put this to the side and show you a little bit about this sneaker, okay? So basically, this sneaker is just a canvas, right? And for you and for me, if you have this sneaker, depending on how you wear it, it will definitely age out differently, right? Because of this material right here, okay? Not sure if you can see, but this material that comes around the sneaker, around these Jordan trees, basically it's just a canvas, so you can do whatever you want, right? You can even write on this if you want it more customized. I don't really like it, but yeah, this is the material on it. I do think they are really comfortable. They are full leather inside. They have this really thick leather right here, okay? And it's pretty solid, okay? I really like the quality on this shoe. You have the tag right here. And overall, trees are already have quite the good quality, but this one really has some nice quality to it, okay? Now, it comes with different laces. This is the sole, by the way. It comes with different laces. These ones are with sail laces, okay? I do have the other shoe with the orange laces, okay, right here. Looking them side by side, probably I would go always with the sail laces, but I wanted to try because I never know what type of laces I will do. So yeah, this is the way I wear them. But yeah, so basically the other part of this sneaker that for me it's like the best part of this sneaker, that it has this, it looks like, I don't know, it looks like grass material. It's like something imitating grass here, here and here. And the heel tab just looks amazing. Look at this, right? It does look great. Okay, it has that Jordan tag as well in orange here. So yeah, overall I'll rate this sneaker out of 10 8.5. Okay, I really like the sneaker, and I think on foot and on end it's a completely different type of sneaker, so you should definitely cop them if you have the chance. The resale on these ones are actually not that high. Okay, I don't even think you can make money out of this. Maybe, I don't know, not even 10%, I think, but you can have a look. So yeah, these are the Nina Chanel trees. I really like them. I wear them quite a lot, okay, especially with great tracksuits. I think it looks amazing. So yeah, you should definitely check this sneaker out, and let's go to the next one.